Hi, I'm Kevin from TravelScoot USA, and today we're going to be looking at the Kroozie Cup Holder. It comes with two foam inserts. The first one is for larger water bottles, like the one that I have, and another thicker insert if you have soda cans, beer cans. Those will fit perfectly in here. The Kroozie Cup Holder comes in a number of colors. I have the red one featured here. When you receive your Kroozie Cup Holder, you will have two sets of screws. You will have a smaller set of screws that will go for the yoke and the T-bar on the handlebars, and the longer screws for the steering column. These screws go into the clamp here, which I'll show you in a little bit. You have another screw that is the pivot screw. This is what will, if you need to pivot the cup holder, you can. And then there's a hidden screw inside. Let's see if I can get that. This screw is what changes it from vertical to horizontal. So let's take a look at how this is done. So the first step that we want to do is determine where we want to have our Kroozie Cup Holder. We could have it on the yoke, the link tube, or the handlebars. In this video, we're going to be setting up the Kroozie Cup Holder for the yoke, since I already have it on the link tube there. If we want to have it on the handlebars, we're going to look at the screw inside, do a quarter turn, twist it, tighten, and then we're good to put it right here. Since we're going to be putting on the yoke, another quarter turn, tighten it up, and we're ready to go. So first step, I'm going to be using the shorter screws since we're using the yoke. Insert the screws onto your clamp. Grab the other half and tighten. Next, we're going to take our cup holder, align the hole for the hinge up with the hinge on the clamp, insert our screw, and tighten. And from here, this is where you can pivot it. If you want it to go out a little bit more, you can. But when we tighten the pivot, it'll be in place. There we have it. We have our Kroozie Cup Holder installed, and we're ready to go.